Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, if you didn't know, is a BTS Happy unboxing from Jin. If you didn't know, I am a huge BTS fan, and some of their solo work I am trying to get my hands on. So whenever I have the money, I try to get some of their BTS. So I just happened to get a heavy bag. Holy crap. Sometimes there are, I don't know why, I'm struggling so much. Okay, so, this is it. Now there are different, if you didn't know, with K-pop, there are different, concepts of these albums. Like, there's one that's happy, there's one that's negative, there's one that's normal, and it depends. A lot of times, a lot of these groups will put out, like, four different albums or four different, concepts, and the photo cards, if you didn't know, with K-pop, you get photo cards, you get, like, a picture book, you get stuff besides just the, the CD. And if you order, now that's just the standard. Now if you get, if you get it from a different site called Weavers, you also get traditional gifts. And if you join a membership for BTS, or for, you even can get even better gifts. So that's what this is. A lot of times, but this is just Jin's second album, Happy, which I'm excited about. So let's just get into it, because I have no idea if this is just one album, or if it's four. Let's just say this thing is heavy. And if you hear kids screaming in the background, it's the kids, and that's what they do. I'm so sorry. It's not even summer vacation yet. So it looks like it is, okay, it's 3 albums. So it's 3 albums, which explains so much. No, but this is what they look like. This is the green is Imagine. The blue is to find your true happiness, and the last one is, okay, I think, oh, it's dirty. So, the blue one is negative. So we're gonna jump in it. Like I said, I thought I just picked up the one, but apparently I picked up all 3. Like I said, that happens. Okay, very pretty, by the way. And as you start exploring, this part right here is the CD. And then the more you keep exploring, is like the images and stuff. Imagine, Jin. Now I'm not gonna go through this whole entire thing with you, but like, it seems like it's an office theme. Office. And then it's still in the office. I'll go through that in a second. Okay. It's literally all him in a freaking office. But it's all good. So This is another image of him where he looks like he's just kind of working. So that's the first one. Of course, you get a photo. Now you also get, trying to open the little package. You also get photo cards, which everybody and their brother collect. I'm definitely one of them. But you get photo cards. Oh my god! You get photo cards and confetti. You get photo cards. This is where you can get stuff on Weaver Shop. You have that. Okay. You have another photo of him. No, stop licking that kitty. And this is like a cute little notebook or activity book or something where it comes with stickers, and you get like pages where you can write, you can take notes and write and everything on it. So this is just the first one. I'm sure the other ones are pretty much like at first. So what I'm gonna do, instead of going through all of this with you, which this one's Journey. See how, oh yeah, okay, yeah. These are, like I said, these are all different themes. Okay, the poster. I think this one's a little better, in my opinion. Better. But you have him like camping or glamping or whatever you want to call it, with his long hair and him being a chef. Hang on, let me find a good one where he's actually like glamping. Kind of. Like, he's cooking in this one, which I like. It's a little kitchen. You know, he's eating a salad, but he's eating. So that's the second one. Hang on, I want to see if there's anything. This one where he is playing like tennis or some sort of sport or something. So there's that one. And then another like another book that you can write stuff in or do whatever with, you know, dirty stickers. So there's that. Photo cards, I know that's what a lot of you are here for. These photo cards. Ooh, look at little hearts. Alright. And these are, give me a second. Okay. these are the 3 little photo cards of Jan. Okay. And concept number 3. Oh, okay, this one has something different. I don't know if the other one has the same thing, but this is all the lyrics and stuff and the song list of the tracks. And there is 6 tracks, so hey. Alright, last but not least, the blue one. Like I said, I didn't know I was getting all of them. I literally thought I was getting one. So, I'm gonna take that out. The poster is this one, which I do like. I actually do miss his long hair. Who knew the man was eventually gonna go blonde? Alright, so trying to get to some of the color ones too. There's a lot of black and white in here. For example, like here's this one. That's, you know, black and white, which, like I said, I like. And then I'll show you one of them that's in color. Oh, stay where you are, yo. That's my cat. Okay, and there's one that's literally in color. So, with all of that, like this is kind of like his leisure time, I guess. Okay, let me find the photo cards. Okay. A lot of confetti. Okay, so, ton of confetti. And these are the 3 photo cards. Oh, Jen. I love them all. I love this album so far. Like, I haven't... There was only a couple songs I've actually listened to. I've actually watched as many of the music videos as I could. But that's everything for this video. I hope you like it. If you are a BTS fan, comment below. Click the bell to be notified every single time I post a video, whether it's on BTS or makeup or I'm unboxing something. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!